Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here with a late video lesson. Gonna just go over the top plays from the watch list for tomorrow. WTRH, KSPN, KTRA, QNRX, HSDT, AMTD, and MTC. Most of these, well, all but one, all except WTRH, are gonna be multi-day bounces. WTRH is a breakout. So let's just dive into this here. MTC had a try to have a little push today, but we can see the lows. We had a lot higher low today. Another red day, volume faded, so that's looking good. Not many sellers, not much pressure behind this now as it's failing to break down. This could be something. I believe also a low float. Nice. Can move quickly. Yeah, this is looking like a very good candidate for a multi-day bounce here. If we could just get the momentum shift, the failure to break 4 convincingly. Looks like that's what it really wanted to do. Hold around 4, barely cracked it here. And today, 4 exactly was the low. So we'll see if it continues to hold that whole dollar, half dollar area, and then squeeze 25, 30%, getting into the low fives. But yeah, so MTC, multi-day bounce. AMTD, same deal, multi-day bounce. Pretty significant red day here again. Volume fading big time. So seeing heavy selling here and less selling pressure going on now. So similar price. Looking for this to keep holding 4. See if it could bottom out there. Whole dollar, half dollar area. And just look for the action upwards. Starts confirming to new highs instead of new lows. So we can see here, breaks down, confirms the new lows, and then tries to head down again, except, you know, barely could break down. For a key area, should have really broke down even more, but all it did was get down 16 cents and grind not all the way back, but it's not that close to the lows. It had a decent bounce, over 10%. But here we are, kind of fading. But we'll just wait and see if it could keep holding that area and get a squeeze back into the low to mid fives. That would be pretty ideal. What's the close? 430. So probably mid to high fives would be my goal. Measuring it 30% from the close. So AMTD, QNRX, another insane mover recently. Solid red day here. Shorts have it under control. Now we just let the backside do its thing and wait for the multi-day bounce. So could be tomorrow. I usually wait at least one red day. You need to make sure that the shorts and sellers, they're in control. So this gives them the confidence. They're up decently. Ideally fades more, but they could easily hold and come right back after one red day. There was one today. What was it? Was it AMD? No. No, it wasn't. Okay, whatever. I don't want to make this a long video. Okay, but yeah, looking for the multi-day bounce on this recent parabolic play. Oh, we went over MTC, HSDT, another one of these, just straight down after huge gap up. It's really all it had, just the after hours move here. So a lot of selling coming through. So that's what makes me really want to watch this. If it could hold right around 1, that could be something significant, as that is a key level psychologically. And shorts are up a good amount on this. So if it starts failing to break down around 1, they might start covering, and that'll lead to some more upwards action. Some more dip buyers might come in, leading it to continue to get propped up, leading to more shorts getting squeezed, and then you get the multi-day bounce. So keep this on watch as well. What are we at now? KTRA. Same thing here. Huge gap up. Now we're way off the highs. Much cheaper of a play price here. But, you can see this candle, the way it moved. Got down to 20 and retreated half of its gains, or half of the losses rather. So we'll see how this shapes up. It's trying to hold 20 here. Another key area psychologically with the cheap plays. So this one probably won't be my main focus out of my top plays, but something for sure. If other things aren't working, I will definitely give KTRA a shot if it seems like it's giving me what I want. But still have to wait and see. Might need to fade some more. But huge fade way off the highs. Volume's getting light. Might be time for a bounce. We'll see. Last one of the multi-day bounces here. Something that could possibly turn to a breakout. It does have the float if the demand is there. But we got this insane mover from 2.5 to just below 7.5. And got a red day, as we can see here, kind of just going sideways. Held 4.5. Once again, these things get attracted to whole dollar, $half levels typically for some reason. Just probably the way other traders are approaching the play. These key areas, we play off of them because they're significant to others. So it does make sense. But sometimes I would assume it would come back to some key level from the history. But no, regardless, who cares? But just nice to see how these key levels come in handy. It's good to know, and you can use it in aid with your decision making in a play. So KSPN here, if it could keep holding mid fours, this could be something. If we get new highs, it starts breaking above whatever high it sets in the morning tomorrow, and gives us a 30% move, get back to near the highs here, around 6.5. And at that point, it's right near the highs at 7 and 7s. So that might be something. What's the one I'm thinking of today? ABDN? Was it that? Yeah. Just a quick example here. So this is one I was talking about. You got that one red candle and then just comes right back. Doesn't always need to be 2, 3 candles, red candles. So gotta judge the momentum. But as long as you get one red day where the shorts are in control, then put that ticker on watch for a multi-day bounce. Lastly, finally, WTRH, something a little different. We got a breakout here. Would really like to see the volume pick up some more, especially considering the float, but that is part of the price. People will be buying more shares. So really I'm just going to want to see more demand coming out of this. If it confirm the 45 multi-week breakout level, which lines up with the high of today, it could be something. Because after that, I don't really see resistance until 60 cents. 50 cents will obviously be key psychologically. That's going to be one of the key levels for these cheap plays. But after that, I think we could definitely test 60. So we'll see if the trend is there, if it's intact, if the demand is there. Shorts could definitely get squeezed if it fails to break down and confirms key areas. So we'll just wrap it up there. We're getting to 10 minutes. A decent day today. It's getting late. I don't know if I'll make a video lesson going over the plays. I'll probably just include it into the weekend video lesson. But pretty strong market this week. Let's just finish it strong. Be prepared. Here's a pretty decent watch list, I think. So check out the whole thing on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders. Besides that, have a great night, and we'll catch you all later.